Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera problem. So guys, if you face this kind of problem on your Snapchat, then what to do is go to your phone settings, swipe down. Now go to your app management, tap on app permissions. Now tap on camera, swipe down, and now turn on the Snapchat camera option. Now go back on your Snapchat. So guys, as you can see, your Snapchat camera problem has been fixed. So guys, that's it. That's how you can fix Snapchat camera problem very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.